Alright, everyone, how's it going? It is January 15th. So, if you have not already done so, please do subscribe. I try to put out daily videos giving you guys some valuable content, maybe some aspects that you don't normally look at with the stock market, and really just trying to improve everyone's trading game plan. So, with that being said, let's get into the S&P. So, pretty good day today, 1.15%. Obviously, it kind of looked like we were going to see some, maybe a little bit of daily consolidation, and then boom, today we bust through a key level. So let's look at the hourly time frame to see what is going on. And I noted last night that the S&P was getting really tight on the hourly time frame, and it did look like we technically broke the hourly trend. So this has been an hourly uptrend. We've just seen higher highs, higher lows, right? Higher high, higher low, kind of a double top, and then boom, we saw this low barely break this level here. But then the bulls came back up, traded sideways, and this morning we saw some strong buying. We broke through all these levels of resistance right here, all these previous highs, and then boom, we punched right up, consolidated a bit, and it looks like we're forming another leg up on the hourly time frame. So S&P is looking good, and I'll say it again, once this hourly uptrend is lost and we do see lower highs followed by lower lows, and we see some continuation, then we'll know that the daily top is in. We'll be looking for some daily consolidation, but right now bulls are looking good. Higher highs and higher lows on the daily time frame. And I would say next level of resistance, key resistance obviously is this double top all the way up here at about 280.4, right around here. So we have a ways to go before we get there. So I would keep an eye on the hourly time frame and watch those trends. Let's look at Facebook. Facebook did pop through that level I was talking about. So last night I said I was going to get interested in Facebook if we could punch through this key lower high. That's all it is. We've been on a daily downtrend, and this is a very clear daily downtrend. We just see lower highs, right? All these are lower highs, and then lower lows. Boom, 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 boom. And then we kind of came up here and sort of changed the trend, but then we boom, dumped again, and now we're coming up beating a key level of resistance. So what I need to see going on from here, I'm probably not going to buy into Facebook for a few weeks at the least, because what I want to see some more continuation upward maybe, and then that daily consolidation to form that higher low compared to the lowest low right here. So that's what I'd like to see. Yes, we could definitely see some more upside, but I will be buying on consolidation. When that higher low forms, that's going to be my entry. Facebook is looking good. Apple. So Apple does look like it wants to fight a little bit. And so Apple is on a very clear daily downtrend. It's been on a daily downtrend for a while. Now the key level to beat right here is this right here. We're very close, 154. This is the last lower high in my opinion. So if we beat that, great. And if we beat this level, that's even better, 159.36. That'll show that the bulls have some strength. We're beating a key level of resistance on the daily time frame. And then, of course, like the other guys, I would like to see some consolidation, form a higher low comparison to this low right here, and then continue on to a higher high. That'll signal the daily trend has changed, and that will be the entry, in my opinion, for the longer-term investors. AMZN. Amazon had a good day as well, about 3.5%. Which is good. And yeah, so really for Amazon, all I'm looking for, we're probably gonna, next big level to test is this double top right here. Looks to be at about 1778. So we'll see if we can beat that level with some strength. And hoping we do, we could test that and then fade. And we have had a nice move up. This was some decent daily consolidation, pretty much traded sideways, ideal for the bulls. So we'll see if we can come out swinging tomorrow. Oh, check out Netflix. Wow. Netflix has been a beast. So let's... Wow, from the low to the high, 54%. That's extreme. Netflix is looking good for a couple reasons. Mainly, it's taken out so many of these lower highs, 3 of them, just on a rip to the to the upside there. So ideally, we are getting overbought on the daily time frame. I would like to see some daily consolidation, form a daily higher low compared to this low. Same story as the other guys, just Netflix really blew up. So, and that's really all I'm looking for. If anything, I would be looking to buy in on consolidation. USOIL. Come on. Okay, shaping up nice. So I did point out that inverse head and shoulders pattern that could potentially be playing out. And this looks good. Sideways action. That is the best form of consolidation for bulls. If anything, that's very bullish. If we just went sideways and then popped up, that would be very good. So I noted the bullish divergence that I was seeing with the RSI being so oversold over here, and yet when the price action gets to its lowest point, the RSI is a lot higher than it was over here. Bullish divergence. That's why I want to see some more consolidation before I get an entry, because I do think we will have a nice pop. So let's look at the 4-hour time frame. Okay, yeah, we did lose the 4-hour uptrend. So it looks like all we're doing right now is just forming a lower high, right? So here's a high. Looks like we're forming a lower high. And for when this consolidation's over, actually, I'm going to jump to the hourly for that. 4 hours a bit too zoomed out. So, ooh. Wow. Okay, so this is interesting. This is where we were coming up off the bottom. Uptrend, uptrend, uptrend. And then we test it and kind of lose it. We lost it here, bounced up, came nice tight equilibrium, and then boom, we bounced up here. That might have been the consolidation. It's hard to tell, but pretty much this level right here was the level that we needed to hold, and then we sold right through it, came up, formed a higher low compared to this low. That's pretty much a double bottom actually. Came up a little bit, came down, formed a higher low compared to here, and then boom, we're on to higher highs on the hourly time frame. That could have been the consolidation on oil. I would look at and see if we form a higher low compared to this low on the hourly time frame, and then see if we can see more continuation. And if that's what it was, if that's all the consolidation that we have, that could be extremely bullish. Might throw in a UWT position. We could really run if that's the case. 20 is not out of the question. But anyway, that's just my opinion. And of course, we'll look at gold. Daily time frame. Nothing much has changed since last night when I covered this. Just a daily inside bar on gold. It'll be a clear break to the upside or downside, whichever way we break, but just nice healthy consolidation going sideways. And that's pretty much it, guys. Definitely going to be keeping a sharp eye on oil. That'll definitely be something that I'm watching. And that's it. If you guys have any questions, please reach out. I do like to see when other people message me with things that they're looking at. It's nice to see. So I will see you guys tomorrow.